If you're looking to stay ahead of the game with AI technology, PanoPulse AI might just be the next big thing. In this video, I'm going to share 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released software, things that could completely change the way you approach your business or digital marketing strategy. You'll want to stay until the end because I'll reveal how you can try PanoPulse AI completely free, and I'll even share some other AI tools I personally recommend. Let's dive right into it. First up, PanoPulse AI is built for businesses looking to gain an edge in marketing, sales, and customer insights. It's designed to leverage advanced AI algorithms to analyze data in real time and help you make more informed decisions. What really stands out with PanoPulse is its ability to give you a 360-degree view of your digital presence, pulling insights from a variety of platforms to deliver a unified strategy. One of the major features that I love is how it helps streamline marketing campaigns. PanoPulse AI uses machine learning to predict trends, helping you stay ahead of your competition. Whether it's adjusting your content strategy or optimizing paid ads, this AI gives you recommendations that are actionable and based on real data, not guesswork. If you've struggled with campaign performance in the past, this tool can take the guesswork out of the equation. Another key point is how customizable it is. Unlike many other AI tools that force you into rigid templates, PanoPulse allows you to tailor your dashboard and data views to match your specific business goals. So, if you're an e-commerce or a service-based business, you'll be able to fine-tune everything to meet your needs. Now, if you're worried about complexity, don't be. PanoPulse AI has a user-friendly interface designed with non-techie users in mind. You won't need to spend hours learning how to use it. Instead, you can hit the ground running right away. Plus, the support team is top-notch. Whether you're stuck on setup or need help navigating the system, they've got you covered. Another big plus is its automation capabilities. This tool helps you automate tedious tasks like reporting, lead nurturing, and even customer communication. Imagine how much time you'll save when you no longer have to manually follow up on leads or generate reports. A feature that not a lot of people talk about but is crucial is its integration capabilities. PanoPulse AI easily connects with other major software you're already using, like CRM tools, email marketing platforms, and analytics services. It allows you to create a seamless workflow, saving you from dealing with multiple dashboards and platforms. One of the most exciting things about PanoPulse AI is that it's always evolving. The team behind it is committed to continuously improving the software, which means you'll always have access to the latest features without needing to upgrade to expensive packages. It's truly built for long-term use. Now, before I wrap up, you can try PanoPulse AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description. This is a great opportunity to test the waters and see how it can benefit your business. And after trying thousands of AI tools, I've put together a list of recommended AI software, all of which you can try for free. So check those out below as well. So, to summarize, PanoPulse AI offers a powerful tools for marketing, sales, and customer insights with an easy-to-use interface, automation, and strong integration features. It's a game changer for businesses looking to step up their digital presence. Don't miss the chance to try it out for free. And that's it for today. Don't forget to check out the links below for more AI tools I personally recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.